Hello friends, welcome to my channel. The topic that I am going to discuss today is cell junctions and its functional classes. Many cells in tissues are linked to one another and to extracellular matrix at specialized contact sites called cell junctions. These junctions are special regions that are adapted to certain functions such as absorption, secretion, fluid transport, mechanical attachment or interaction with neighboring cells. These specialized regions of cell surface are referred to as differentiation of cell membrane. Cell junctions falls into three functional classes. First, occluding junctions. Second, anchoring junction, and third, communicating junction. Occluding junction, which is also called as tight junction, seal cell together in an epithelium in such a way that prevents even small molecules from leaking one side of the sheet to the other side. Second, anchoring junction mechanically attach cells and their cytoskeletons to their neighbors or to extracellular matrix. And third, communicating junction, which is also called as gap junction, it mediates the passage of chemicals or electrical signals from one interacting cells to the partner. Now let us understand the main role of occluding junction, anchoring junction and communicating junction. If you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates of my new uploads. Now let us continue with the remaining part of the video. Occluding junctions. Tight junctions, which are also called as occluding junction, are crucial in maintaining the concentration gradient of small hydrophilic molecules across epithelial cell sheets. They do so in two ways. First, they seal the plasma membrane of adjacent cells together to create a continuous, impermeable or semi-permeable barrier to diffusion across the cell sheet. Second, they act as a barrier in the lipid bilayer to restrict the diffusion of membrane transport proteins between the apical and the basolateral domains of the plasma membrane in each epithelial cell. Now let us understand the role of anchoring junction. Anchoring junction. The main types of anchoring junction in vertebrate tissues are adherent junction, desmosomes, focal adhesion and hemidesmosomes. Adherent junction and desmosomes connect cells together and are formed by cadherins, while focal adhesion and hemidesmosomes connect to extracellular matrix and are formed by integrins. Adherent junction and focal adhesions are connecting sites for the bundles of actin filaments, whereas desmosomes and hemidesmosomes are connecting sites for intermediate filaments. Now let us understand the role of communicating junctions. Communicating junctions. Communicating junctions, which are also called as gap junctions, are composed of the clusters of connexons that allow molecules smaller than about 1000 Daltons to pass directly from the inside of one cell to the inside of next. Cells connected by gap junction share many of their inorganic ions and other small molecules and are therefore chemically and electrically coupled. Gap junctions are important in coordinating the activities of the electrically active cells, and they have a coordinating role in other groups of cells as well. Plasmodesmata are the only intercellular junction in plants, although their structure is entirely different and they can sometimes transport informational macromolecules. In general, they function like gap junctions.